Hello guys, welcome to this lesson. Distance between 2 points. We have point P and point Q. What's the position vector of point P? It is the vector from the origin to point B, and it is written same as point P but in vector form. Also, the position vector of point Q is the vector from the origin to point Q, and it is the same as point Q but it is written in vector form. This is the position vector. What about the distance vector from P to Q? It is the vector connecting point P and point Q, and it is given by RQ minus RP, and we refer to it by RPQ. It is Q minus P, RQ minus RP. So RQ is minus 315. Sorry, this is wrong. RQ minus RP minus 315 minus 024. Minus 3 minus 0 is minus 3. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. This is the distance vector between P and Q. And the distance between P and Q is given by the magnitude of this vector. So the magnitude of RPQ is x component square plus y component square plus z component square. And 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 1 is 11. The distance is root 11. Let's solve this exercise. Given points P and Q and R, find position vector of P and R. Position vector of P is called RP. RB is same as point P but in vector form. 1 minus 3 5. And position vector of point R is 0 3 8. This is part A. Part B, distance vector RQR. So distance RQR will be equal RR minus RQ, which is RR is this one minus RQ is this one, but in vector form. Zero minus 2 minus 2, 3 minus 4 is minus 1, 8 minus 6 is 2. This is the distance vector between Q and R. Part C is asking for the distance between point Q and R. So part C is the distance, not the distance vector. So RQR will equal the distance is the magnitude of the distance vector. So minus 2 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square, which will equal square root of 9, and it equals 3. This is the distance between Q and R. That's it for this lesson. Try to solve this exercise and see you in the next lesson.